Look, I'm making adults fight up here, and I'm in a little truck glitch. Adults are going stupid trying to get me.
Ja.
Mm.
Put this on YouTube, bro.
Mm-hmm. And get off my foot. My coat. Alright, I'm about to stop the funniness.
And I got
All y'all. Boom. The heck? They still not dead. There we go.